Jean-Luc Antoine Pierre Mélenchon, born 19 August 1951, is a French politician who presided over the France Insoumise group in the National Assembly from 2017 to 2021. He has been the member of the National Assembly for the 4th constituency of Bouches-du-Rhône since 2017. After joining the Socialist Party in 1976, he was successively elected a municipal councillor of Massy and general councillor of Essonne. In 1986, he entered the Senate, to which he was re-elected in 1995 and 2004. He also served as Minister for Vocational Education between 2000 and 2002, under Minister of National Education Jacques Lang, in the cohabitation government of Lionel Jospin. He was part of the radical wing of the Socialist Party until the Reims Congress of 2008, at the outcome of which he left the party to found the Left Party with Marc Dolas, a member of the National Assembly. Mélenchon first served as party president before becoming party co-president alongside Martine Billard, a position he held until 2014. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.